Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up payments within Shopify. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So I'm over here on Shopify right now, and what you'll do is just simply log in. Now if you already have an account, you can just simply log in. If you don't, you can just sign up by entering your email address right here and starting your free trial. There is a pricing plan, however, so let me just show you if you're interested in that one. So over here you can see these are the plans. We have the basic, the Shopify, and the advanced. You can see their payments over here, how much they cost. The basic one is gonna be $29 per month. The Shopify is going to be $79 per month, and the advanced one is going to be $299 per month. And you can see all of the rates and features that they have. And if you scroll down, you can see more stuff as well. Over here you can see more features as well within each plan in a more comprehensive and detailed manner, so that you can know which plan you want to try out. Then you're good to go. So first you're gonna go ahead and log into your store, and I'll show you how you can set up payments. So I'll simply log into my store over here. So once you have logged in and arrived at your dashboard or your admin, what you're gonna do is navigate to this button here that says settings in the bottom left corner. Then you will see that you have store details, plan, users and permissions, payment, checkout, shipping and delivery, taxes and duties, locations, and so on. Just press on payments. And now here we have three different options. So we have Shopify payments, additional payment methods, and manual payment methods. So let's start off with Shopify payments. So here you can go and press on manage. So you see on Shopify payments we have standard rates. The rates are dependent on your Shopify plan and apply to all payment methods unless otherwise shown. Then we have the cards. Shopify payments allows your store to accept all major credit cards. So we have Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and Diners Club. And then we have Shop Pay. Powered by Shopify, Shop Pay makes checking out faster for your customers by saving the shipping and payment details. So there we have Shop Pay. Then we have wallets. Shopify payments accepts digital wallet payments to help you increase conversion on mobile. So there we have Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Meta Pay. And then we have international. Manage the currencies and pricing available to customers around the world. So here we have currencies and pricing. Then you can go to markets to select the currencies you accept in different countries and regions and set international pricing and exchange rates. Then we have payout details. Your earnings are deposited into this bank account. Choose the frequency of payouts and edit the way they're described on your bank statements. So payout statement descriptor. And then we have payout schedule. Then you can choose every business day, every week. You can choose on what day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Then we have every month. So you can say on day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on, every day of the month. And then you can enable notifications and get notified by email every time you receive a payout. Then we have fraud prevention. So this reduces your store's risk of credit card fraud by adding extra security. So you can automatically decline charges. So decline charges that fail AVS postal code verification. Decline charges that fail CVV verification statement. Edit the way that your store name and phone number appear on your customer's bank statements. So here you can change that to SP. SP will appear before the statement descriptor and phone number. And then we have test mode. Test Shopify payment setup and configuration to simulate successful and failed transactions. So here you can enable or disable test mode. So now we know about Shopify payments. This is like the default payment system for Shopify. Then we have additional payment methods. So these are payment methods that are available with one of Shopify's approved payment providers. So then we can go here and then we can search for different payment methods. So we have Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club, GCB, Maestro, so forth and so on. Then we can also search by provider. And then you can see here 2C, 2P, 2Checkout, Affirm, Afterpay, Alipay, APS, and all the different payment providers. So you can see if we press on, for example, this one, and if you press on activate, all of these different payment providers have different rules and different payment methods that they allow. So for example, AsiaBill helps you accept credits like debit card payments and 150 plus alternative payment methods in your Shopify store. You can also use the powerful tools provided in AsiaBill's merchant portal to increase your conversion rate and receive settlements in your preferred currency. So here you can see they accept, for example, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, GCB, Diners Club, and more. Process payments in 150 plus currencies. Improve store conversion, increase your transaction success, optimize for mobile and fast checkout, minimize the impact of fraud and dispute, use your physical bank account or open virtual bank, 24/7 customer support for payments and e-commerce industry veterans. And then we have the setup procedure, and the setup procedure is different for all of these different payment options. So here the first is to register your account directly at our website or contact us for assistance. Then install AsiaBill local payments app in your Shopify admin. Then fill in your gateway ID and Shopify key at the authorization page. And the fourth step is to activate AsiaBill local payments in your Shopify store settings and start accepting live payments. So then you do all of these steps depending on what kind of payment provider you choose. And here you can press on connect to do all of that. Right now we're not connected to AsiaBill, but we can do that. So now we have seen other payment methods. Now let's go and check out manual payment methods. So these are payments that are made outside your online store. When a customer selects a manual payment method, such as cash on delivery, you'll need to approve their order before it can be fulfilled. So if we press here on add manual payment method, you can see that we can create custom payment method, bank deposit, money order, cash on delivery, or COD. So let's press on create custom payment method. So here you can set up manual payment method, custom payment method name, additional details. So this displays to customers when they're trying to choose a payment method, and payment instructions. So here you fill out, so this displays to customers after they place an order with this payment method, and then you press on activate when you fill this out. Then we have bank deposit. So you can set up bank deposit, you add additional details. This also displays to customers when they're choosing a payment method. And this displays to customers after they place an order with this payment method. Then you activate bank deposit. The same with money order. And cash on delivery also the same. So the important thing is here that you fill out the right information, the right details and instructions for your customers to follow. So that's it. But to be able to use these payment options, it's important that you do everything that Shopify requires. So you will be able to fill this out. So you can see here it has a button complete account setup. So you need to complete all the steps that Shopify wants you to do to be able to use these different payment methods. I hope this helped you be able to connect your way of payment so your customers can buy your products and services. And if you like this video, please leave a comment and a like, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Here will be another recommended video that YouTube thinks you should watch. Thanks for watching.